EDaily conversation.
Daily life questions.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early on weekdays.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink a cup of coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you cook your breakfast?
Sometimes I cook, sometimes I buy food.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my messages.
Do you exercise in the morning?
No, I exercise in the evening.
What time do you leave your house?
I leave my house at 7.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Do you like your morning routine?
Yes, I like it very much. Work and study questions.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What do you do at work?
I use a computer and write reports.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Is your job difficult?
Sometimes it is difficult.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with a team.
Are your coworkers friendly?
Yes, they are very friendly.
Do you have meetings at work?
Yes, I have meetings every week.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
Do you study anything now?
Yes, I study English.
How often do you study English?
I study English every day.
Why do you learn English?
I want to improve my speaking. Free time questions.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV and listen to music.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football sometimes.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books in my free time.
What kind of books do you read?
I read simple English books.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use my phone every day.
Do you like going outside?
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, I meet them on weekends.
Personal questions.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town.
Do you live in the city now?
Yes, I live in the city.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like it very much.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and chicken.
Daily conversation practice.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you feeling tired today?
Yes, I feel a little tired.
Why are you tired?
Because I worked a lot today.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, I had a good day.
What did you do today?
I worked and studied English.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
What will you do tonight?
I will watch TV and relax.
What time will you sleep?
I will sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you like talking in English?
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to improve every day.
Will you practice again tomorrow?
Yes, I will practice again tomorrow.